Hello everyone, welcome to stuckinloopscrochets. In this tutorial we will learn to crochet this mini rose rakhi. So let's get started. For this project I am using 3-ply acrylic yarn in lavender and white color, 2.5 mm crochet hook, darning needle, scissor, hot glue stick. You can also use fabric glue or you can use darning needle to sew this project together instead of hot glue. So let's get started. Now we will start by making slip knot. For that, take your yarn and make a cross like this. Now insert your hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we will start to chain. We will make 8 chains. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is our first chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is our second chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Third chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have completed 8 chains. Now skip the first chain. This is our first chain and we will work in the second chain. Make 1 single crochet in the second chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we will work in the third chain here. Now we will work in the next chain. We will make 2 single crochet in the same chain. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now 1 more single crochet in the same chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 chain left. We will make 3 single crochet in each chain. Insert your hook, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2 more single crochet in the same chain. 2, 3. Now make 3 single crochet in the next chain as well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we have 2 chains left, so we will make 3 single crochet in both the chains. 1, 2, 3. In the last chain we will make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now make 1 slip stitch in this last chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now pull through the first loop. Cut off the excess yarn. Now we will tie knot to secure this yarn. 1, 2, 3. Cut off this yarn. Our rose is ready. Now we have to make sepal for this rose. I am using white color yarn to make sepal. You can also use green color or whatever color you like. So we will start by making magic ring. For that, take your yarn, wrap it around your finger like this. It will form a cross. Now insert your hook, pull up a loop, let go of your fingers and chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. We will count this chain as well. Now make 2 more chains, 2 and 3. Now skip the first chain and we will work in the second chain. In that we will make 1 single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop and yarn over, pull through both the loop. Now in the next chain we will make 1 half double crochet. Insert your hook in the chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops in our hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Now we will make 1 slip stitch in the magic ring. For that, insert your hook in the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through the first loop. We will make 3 more of this. Now again repeat the same process. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now skip the first chain and work in the second chain. Make 1 single crochet, pull through both the loops and we will work in. Now we will make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 chain in our hook, so yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Now make 1 slip stitch in the magic circle, pull through. We should have 4 corners of this. 1, 2, 3. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 slip stitch in the magic ring. Again chain 3, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 slip stitch in the magic ring. Now cut off the extra yarn. Pull this tail to close the magic circle. Now we will secure this by tying knots. 1, 2, 3. Cut off the extra yarn. Cut off the extra yarn with the help of scissor. Our sepal is ready. Now we will attach this sepal to the rose. I am using hot glue stick to attach the rose. You can also sew this project by using darning needle. Just attach it like this. Now we will attach the sepal to the rose. Apply your glue over the sepal part. Now join like this. You can also use fabric glue to attach this project instead of hot glue. Now we will attach this sepal as well. Apply glue to the sepal. Now attach this to the rose. I have made 3 roses using the same pattern. Now I will take the yarn. You can adjust the size as you want. Now cut off the yarn. Now with the help of darning needle, we will attach these together. Insert your yarn in the darning needle. I have attached both the yarn in the darning needle. Now insert your hook through the sepal like this. One. Now we will attach purple one like this. Now again white one. You can also add pearl to this project. Now we will secure this flower. So insert your hook in the back side of the sepal like this. And tie knot like this. Now repeat this in the other side as well. Now I will trim the edges. Our crochet Rakhi is ready. I hope you love this tutorial. If you have any query, please comment down below. Until then, bye bye. Happy crocheting.